Hi, if you're new around here, my name is Jack. This YouTube channel is a lifestyle channel focused on personal finance, adulting, and self-improvement. And for today's video, let's talk about my trading journey this year of 2020. Okay, a quick recap muna about my trading journey para meron kayong idea where my story is coming from. Okay, let's just continue this with natural lighting so nawalan kami ng kuryente dito. Okay, back to what I was saying. So yung gusto ko lang sabihin kanina is para magkaroon kayo ng idea where my story is coming from, let me tell you muna yung story ng trading journey ko. So, nag-start ako mag-trade ng 2017. So, last quarter ng 2017. All I know at that time is yung concept ng support and resistance and wala pa talaga ako masyadong alam about the stock market. So, if alam mo na yung concept na yun, good for you. If hindi mo pa alam, you might want to check my previous videos. I'll link it in the show notes. To cut the long story short, I lost 10% ng portfolio ko. So, mga 15,000 din yun. Kaka-cut loss ko from 2017 up until 2019. And then, finally, I stopped trading nung March of 2019. Kasi it doesn't make sense. I'm just losing money. So, bakit pa ako magte-trade, di ba? And then, exactly 1 year from when I stopped, nag-trade ulit ako ngayong March of 2020. And that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. The things that I've learned from my previous years of trading and the things that I've learned this year of 2020. Whenever I'm entering a trade, yung isa sa pinakauna kong tinitingnan is yung upside and downside. Kasi that's one of the few things na makokontrol mo. Kung hindi mo gusto yung risk-reward ratio ng trade mo, then better not trade at all, diba? Then you have to be disciplined to follow your trading plan. Kasi most often than not, hindi talaga nag-agree sa bias natin yung trade. Usually, it goes against our bias and napupunta siya sa downside or dun sa cut point natin. And once napunta siya sa cut point natin, kailangan mo siyang i-cut or i-sell even at a loss. And that's one of the hardest thing to learn in the beginning kasi we tend to hope na bumalik or umangat ulit yung price ng stock natin, which madalas hindi talaga na siya nangyayari, especially if it is a speculative stock. At the same time, you should also learn to take profits once na hit na yung take profit area mo. Kasi madalas nangyayari din yung pera natin nagiging bato pa. Instead of selling it at a profit, we're getting too greedy na ini-expect natin or in-hope natin na umangat pa siya pero nangyayari nawawala na yung momentum in steam ng stock and nasasakyan natin yung downfall ng stock. So, pera na, naging bato pa. I've seen this time and time again from my own self and sa mga friends ko. So, meron akong friend, nagtitrade siya ng APBI. Ang average price niya doon is 40 pesos and ang kanan lang yun ngayon, I think somewhere between 10 pesos to 12 to 15 pesos. And hanggang ngayon, ipit siya doon kasi hindi siya nag-cut ng maaga. And then, meron din akong friend before yung pandemic. I think meron siyang hawak na Jollibee or GFC. Then, around 200 pesos pa yung average price niya. And ano yung pinakamababa nun? Umabot ata yun ng somewhere between 90 pesos or 80 pesos. So, yun, napabenta siya ng too late o sobrang laki ng lugi niya. And then, ito naman yung polar opposite na kwento. Meron naman ako isang friend din. Yung thesis niya nung college niya is yung Bloomberry. So, parang gumawa sila ng financial report about Bloomberry resorts. And dun sa thesis nila, napatunayan nila na profitable yung Bloomberry. And then, nag-invest siya doon nung 2016. So, around mga 8 pesos pa ata yung price nung bumili siya. And umabot yung Bloomberry ng 14 pesos. Pero, hindi siya nagbenta, hindi niya binenta. And ngayon, 8 pesos na lang yun. So, medyo nakapanghinayang din naman. Ako naman, on my part, cut loss ako ng cut loss noon. And if hindi ko ginawa yun, I'd probably not trading ngayon kasi I think instead of 10%, siguro mga 50% yung matatalo sa akin. And that's very discouraging for beginning traders. So, iwasan yung masunog. So, yun, always practice risk management whenever you're entering a trade. Let's categorize yung mga stocks natin dito sa Pilipinas into 3 categories. Una muna dyan yung mga blue chips or yung top 30 listed companies natin. So ito yung mga SMs, Ayala, JG Summit, BDO, Jollibee, and the likes. So itong mga to on a regular day, on a normal day, siguro gumagalaw lang yan ng mga 1% the most. So mabagal na mabagal talaga yung galaw niyan. Pero on a recession like what happened, sila yung pinaka-least yung bagsak and they also come back the fastest and they have very stable businesses. Okay, the next category of stock that I wanted to mention are yung mga second liners. So siguro itong mga second liners are good businesses pero hindi lang talaga sila yung pinakamalalaking companies natin dito. So the notable ones are yung Megawide, Cebu Pac, Welcon, yan yung mga yan. So yung mga likes ng mga ganon. these are good companies pero hindi lang talaga sila yung mga most popular brands. Ito namang mga to, they have the potential to move 5 to 10% in one trading day. So mas volatile sila compared to blue chips, but at the same time, they have more parang potential in terms of capital gains, and at the same time, mas risky din sila. The last category of stocks that I wanted to mention are yung mga speculative stocks natin. So these are probably companies you haven't heard before, such as Vulcan Mining, Italpinas, yung IDC, and Now Corporation. So yung mga stocks like these. Itong mga stocks na to, they have the potential to move 10% to 50% in a day. So if gusto mo maka-experience ng ceiling plays, then these stocks are for you. And sila din yung mga most volatile types of stocks, and sobrang reactive nila sa news and catalysts. When it comes to choosing the types of stock that fits in your lifestyle, I think kailangan mo munang i-trade silang lahat para ma-experience mo silang lahat and para malaman mo kung alin yung para sa'yo. Ako personally, hindi na ako nag-trade ngayon ng mga speculative stocks kasi nung tinry ko mag-trade ng speculative stocks, usually nag-freeze ako, nagpapanik ako kasi sobrang volatile nila and na-overwhelm ako and hindi na ako maabot dun sa cut loss point ko. Madalas iiwan na ako, so several times na nangyari yon. So I make it a rule to myself na hindi na ako mag-trade ng speculative stocks. Stick lang ako to second liners and blue chips. Pero that's just for me. I think you should always try it for yourself kasi meron din naman mga traders that really thrive on speculative stocks. So yun, always parang check it and seek it kung ano talaga yung para sa sarili nyo. I clearly remember yung psyche or yung mindset namin ng January of 2018. I think at the time, we're looking at PSEI to hit 10,000 by the year end. And having hindsight 2020, it was the polar opposite na nangyari. From the highs of 9,000, nag-end tayo at that time ng 7,500 that year. Every year, merong theme yung stock market natin. So, in 2017, that's the build year. 2018 naman, that's the inflation scare year. 2019 naman, that's US-China trade war year. And then 2020 is the pandemic year. And to be honest, since 2018, wala pa tayong naging trend that is in our favor. And what I've learned from that experience is that you're just as good as the market. And don't trade against the market. Parang don't trade long against the market. If the trend of the market is pointing down, huwag ka muna mag-trade. Be humble enough na, alam mo, parang huwag ka masyadong magaling na itry mo mga bounce plays kung hindi talaga yung style mo, yung trading style mo. Parang just wait until yung market starts to reverse and starts to point out again. And that's a time na mag-trade ka ng long against the market. You let the market pushes the price higher for you. Huwag mo siyang kukontrahin or huwag mo ipipilit yung mga trades mo. I think one of the best decisions I made pagdating sa pag-trade ko dito sa stock market natin is to pause and never trade for a year. Kasi it allowed me to heal mentally and emotionally. Kasi if you're trading like me since 2018, malamang sa lamang, talo ka din just like me. So, alam mo yun, that break allowed me to heal mentally and emotionally. And recently, there seems to be a confirmation na nag-reverse na yung trend ng market natin. Started to point up. And funny kasi, most of my trades starts to be correct or right. And I don't think I'm a much better trader from when I started. It's just that this time, the trend is my friend. I'll quote a tweet na nabasa ko dun sa Instagram. So, sabi nila dun, knowing when not to trade is just as important as knowing when to trade. Wink emoji. That's all I wanted to share for now. I'm not really a good trader kaya hindi ako nagawa ng mga technical videos, pero I think I have yung basic general knowledge around it and yung experience ko, plus I know video editing and storytelling, so I hope naging maayos pa rin itong nagawa kong video na to. Ikaw naman mag-share ng trading journey mo sa stock market. Let me know yung mga lessons na natutunan mo from trading the stock market. So ayun lang, please don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. So ayun lang, that's it. Peace out. Bye!